Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You start by choosing a sharp image and opening the scanner or decoder app. Do this now. Make sure the photo shows the entire barcode with margin space so the algorithm can read quiet zones. Once the app is ready, upload or import the picture rather than taking a live scan, because images need stable framing. If options appear, pick the code type hint, IAN, UPC, QR to speed decoding. Confirm permissions and file format, then proceed to the upload step in the tool. Once done uploading, crop close to the bars or code but keep some border. This helps recognition. If the image is dark or washed out, increase contrast and adjust brightness so bars stand out. Small tweaks change decoding success. Rotate or deskew until the bars are horizontally aligned. Even a slight tilt can fail reads. Make sure to select the correct symbology hint when offered and switch to advanced or high sensitivity mode if the initial attempt fails, because those modes try more aggressive processing steps. You now run the decode and inspect the output. Compare digits or content with what you expect so you catch misreads. If the result is empty or garbled, make incremental fixes. Sharpen, reduce noise, upsample to higher DPI, or try a different decoder. Each step targets a specific failure mode. If nothing works, retake the picture under diffuse lighting and less distance, then repeat upload. Key troubleshooting tip: swapping to a different decoding engine or specifying the symbology often resolves stubborn.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.